on, guys? My name is Martin and you're watching WP Shout. And in today's video, we're going to talk about but without using image editing tools or AI tools. First, let's talk about why you'd even want to do this. Well, there are a number of reasons. One, if you work in social media or content, you're often taking screenshots. Whether you're writing a product review or you're creating a listicle post, you're constantly going on other companies' websites and taking screenshots of different things. It could be interface of a demo, it could be a homepage, whatever it is. And oftentimes when you go to those pages or you try out one of those demos, they have elements on there that you just simply don't want in your screenshot. For example, if a company's having a sale on a product, you have no idea how long that sale is going to last. And what if you take your screenshot and then next week the sale is over? So now your screenshot's outdated only a week after you just took it. Or another example is if you're trying to use a software product, oftentimes these companies will let you try out a demo of the product, but then inside the demo they'll have advertisements to upgrade to a pro version, or there'll be some kind of elements in there that don't exist in the real version of that software. Well, luckily, there's an easy way to remove all of those elements, and I'm going to show you how to do it right now. So I'm going to give you a couple examples. We'll start with Ashblog. So this is just an example of a WordPress theme. If you work in WordPress and you do like listicle posts where you review different themes, you'll often take screenshots of the interface, but then you'll run into something like this where you have this open thing here. It's not a huge obstruction, but you don't really want it, right? So what do? You right click or two-finger click if you're on a laptop, click on inspect. Then you're going to go here and click this. Basically, it looks like a arrow inside of a box with dotted lines. You click on that, hover over the thing you don't want. So you see now it's highlighted, and it also gently highlights it in the code. So it's actually this right here. And then literally all you do is tap it and hit delete on your keyboard. And that's it, and it's gone. Now you hit the X up here on the top right, and you can take your screenshot. Just like this. And now you have a nice, clean screenshot without that obstruction. And then let's say you're on a website and there's an advertisement. So this is Dynadot as a domain registrar, and it looks like they're running a sale on their .com domains. But if let's say you're writing an article about either Dynadot or you're featuring Dynadot in a listicle post, you have no idea how long this advertisement is going to last, so you want to get rid of it. Same thing, right click, inspect. We find our little arrow icon with the box, hover over it. See right here, div.com sale content, click it, hit delete on our keyboard, X out, and now you have a nice clean Dynadot interface. Oh, and if you let's say you make a mistake and you click on something and you delete something you didn't want to delete, all you have to do is just hit refresh on your browser window and it'll come right back. And the reason for that is because you're not actually really deleting it from the website. You're just creating a preview of what it would look like if you did delete that element. So it's essentially like a real-time preview inside of your browser. So when you hit refresh, it just re-downloads the web page as it normally would look like. And that's it. So again, pretty easy, saves a lot of time, and very useful. Now, it doesn't always work. Like sometimes you might run into situations where it just it's tricky, where like the element is hidden in layers and layers of code. It happens sometimes, but not very often. I mean, I would say 90% or more of the time you'll be able to use this to get rid of unwanted elements. And that's it. If you have any questions, leave a comment. I will be happy to get back to you. And otherwise, subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more tutorials. See you next time.